Hi, I'm Emma.
And I'm Sam.
Earlier this year, we decided to quit our jobs, sell our cars, and travel the world. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe to follow our journey.
It's our first proper day in Krabi today.
Sam's treating himself.
I'm getting a Thai pancake. It's banana and Nutella. I've just got my hair cut as well today. Second one of the trip.
Got the goods. It looks absolutely amazing. It's got banana inside it. What do you think? Good?
Good, yeah. Em's gone for a corn on the cob.
This is only a starter. Time for my main course. So I've got a jacket potato with cheese and garlic butter. So after getting something to eat, we decided to rent a moped and go out to the Tiger Cave Temple. Just starting the climb up all these stairs, and it says to take some water with you because it's a really big climb, so I've just got some water and we've got a long way to go. There's a sign saying beware of the monkeys, they could snatch your purse. So I'm going to pull my camera away, I think.
Oh, we're about 350 steps up. You can sort of see through the trees over there. We're very high up.
So hot.
I'm not sure how far we have to go, but it looks like it's all the way up there.
We've just seen monkeys climbing on the trees. Oh, but we couldn't stop to get a picture out because we just need, once you go in, you just have to go.
We've made it.
Hey, that's the top. So hot.
I look like I've just been swimming. 1,216 steps, I believe. They just slide down. Tiny baby.
The island have the big wave.
Big wave?
Yeah, big carrot.
Dangerous, yeah.
Maybe we can take around 1 hour. Cave, mangrove forest, fish park, around 1 hour.
Like have the drop, you know?
Drop.
Have the wave.
Big waves, yeah?
Yeah.
After speaking to the tailboat drivers, we were advised not to go to Railay Beach as the waves were too strong out at sea. Instead, we went on a cave and mangrove forest tour.
So we're at destination 1. That's better. Yeah, you just see them flying about.
Thank you. Kapunka.
So we're both hungry this afternoon. It's about 5 o'clock and we're going to go get our food. We're going to a restaurant we've seen on Google. It's got lots of good reviews. So we'll see you there. So we've arrived. We're going to go check it out. And hopefully they serve some good food. Yeah.